Hi, I am Ghanshyam Khilar from Career App Technology. Today we are going to learn about the subroutine in Allen-Bradley PLC, and we will see what will be the effect of this subroutine to our other ladder programs. So let's rename this main program as rename. I'm main. Okay, now it is changed. Now what we have to do? We have to do some program here in main program. Yes, main. Yes, I have taken here one input, one output, uh, and I will take two two rows for the JSR instruction, and I am taken here. I have taken here one. Yes. Then what I have to do? I have to do here. I have to provide here the address from here. That from program control, and you can see here one JSR instruction, another JSR instruction from here also. Yes. Now what I will do, I have to provide here the input address. Okay, this is one input and this is another one. Okay, yes, this will be the what will happen. Yes, also again, this is another input and this will be the another input. Okay, now I have given the input address here and I have to provide one output address also. Yes, this is my one output address. Okay, now what I have to do, I will take I have to provide here the SBR subroutine file, that is E file. I have provided here the three, that is ladder three. If you will type here the three, it will automatically it will convert it into U colon three, or you can type here U colon four, three, or U colon four also. Yes, I have taken I have put here four. That means if this is ladder four or U colon four, and I can take here three ladder, that is one is my sub three, that is my subroutine three, and another one I will take, that will be my sub four. Okay, you can see here, that is you can see sub four. Yes, that is my subroutine four, and yes, once again I will take here as motor on, motor on. We'll see what I will provide here the subroutine instruction in ladder 3 and ladder 4, but I will not, I am not going to put the address. I am not going to give any instruction or subroutine instruction in ladder 5. Then we'll see what will happen, what will effect of this subroutine to our other programs. Okay, so let's make some program in ladder 3. Like you have to provide here SVR in the first row, otherwise in second or other row it will not work, it will not function. So I am going to take here one second. I have to yes, take here three. Okay, three color here. Yes, and I have to take one input and another one. This is one output. Yes, like that. I will take here one input and one output here also. Same thing. I will repeat that one input and one output. Yes, same thing. I have to repeat this, and what I have to do, I have to provide here the, okay, I have to do the uh, I have to go program control. Yes, this is program control, and I have to go return. Yes, this is return. One thing, for return, there is no any there is no any requirement of input address, so you can put here as input. Okay, and for you can see, yes, everything is done here. You can select. Okay, yes, no, yes, you can provide the address here in subroutine 3. So what I have to do, I am taking here, this is the input, and already maybe I may have taken inputs here, I 0.4, I 0.5, and I 0.6. These are my inputs, and for output I may take here. Yes, one output was taken in main, and so I am taking here these addresses. Okay, now now my program is completed in ladder 3. Now I am going to the ladder 4. Same thing, what I have to do, same thing I have to do is SBR, and you can make some program like a ladder program for the practice, or sorry, for or the trial. You can, yes, you can take here another two. Yes, another, yes, yes. Now what will do, you have to, okay, this is not, and what you do, you have one input and one output here. Yes, once again, one input, and here will be the another output. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to go once again the control, program control file. Okay, program control, then you have to go return. Okay, then what I have to do, you have to put here the input addresses. Yes, this is my one input, and this will be another input, and this will be another one. Okay, now what we will do, I have to take output address from here. Yes, this is one output, this is another one, and this will be another one. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to do program on ladder file. Now I will not do, I will not provide here SVR or any instruction. Then this now that's why I can understand this, so I can understand what will happen for our other programs of ladder. Yes, now output, one output is here. Yes, now my program is completed now, so I have to do, I have to save this. Yes, I have overlapped. Yes, no problem. It will replace the file. Okay, no problem. Okay, then what I will do, I have to do, I have to compile this one, or yes, verify has completed, no error found. So once again I can check here, I can check this one. This is my main program, and what I have to do, I have to download this program to my PLC or my virtual PLC. Now my program is downloaded. Yes, my program is downloaded now, and what I have to do, I have to run this program now. Now my program is now in run mode. Now what I have to do, what I will do, I have to check this one, even if okay, yes, my input is on, but my output is off here, you can see. And another one, all in yes, another one, I have to on all the input, you can see here. My output are, or my outputs are off, due to my, there is no any call from main program. If I will on, or if I will come call from here, from main program, you can see this will act as normal program, it will behave as normal. Yes, you can see here my, if I on this, it will on. If I off this input, then output will be work according to the input. You can see here. Yes, you can see here both input. Yes, both inputs are on, and one input is off. If I will off, if I off this from main program, you can see, you can see my output are remain on, due to the inputs are on. If I will off this off this input, you can see my outputs are remain on. And if I on this one, yes, you can see, if I on this one, you can see. And I will call that letter 3 from main. You can see here this program is updated now. Then that means the inputs are off, so outputs are off. This one input was on and output was off. Now after updating the program, my output is on now. The same thing will be happen in the letter for also. If I will on this, it will not on. If I will on this input, this will not on. And if I call from the main program, you can see here, if I will call, yes, then you can see both are on, and it will work as a normal program, it will behave as normal. And you can see here, yes, this is off. And if I off this, you can see here, yes, this is off. And what I have to, I will on this one, and I will off from the main program. You can see here, you can see here in letter 4, both are on. And if in on condition, if I am doing here off, yes, I am doing here off, and I am doing here on. and I will call this from the main block. Then you can see here main program. You can see this program, my program is now updated here. Okay, now so if input is on, then output is on. Okay, then we'll see in ladder 4 what will be the effect of this subroutine. This is the main thing. Okay, if I will on this, you can see my output is off. Okay, you can't control from here. You can control from it is this in this, if sometime it will be on, and this should be off, on or off. You can't control this one. So what you have to do, you have to provide this, you have to call from main program to this also, even if there is no any requirement. So you have to provide, you have to provide the, you have to provide the JSR instruction or subroutine instruction for ladder 5 also. So what you have to do, you can see how I am going to the going offline. Yes, I am going offline. Yes, yes, I am going offline, so for editing. Yes, now what I have to do, I will provide here once again the JSR instruction. Okay, and one is I have to go, sorry, yes, program control. This is the JSR. Okay, and you can see here, I can provide here 5. Okay, you have to provide here 5, and for input, yes, for input I can take any one of these. Yes, yes, I have taken here, and what I have to do, I have to modify in this program. What I have to do, I have to provide here, I have to okay, I have to go program control. Yes, so I have to instead of go here, so what I'll do is, yeah, that is subroutine. Yes, that after that subroutine, I have to do, I have to do some program here also. Yes, one input and one output. Okay, after that, what I have to do, I have to do here for return. For return, I have to go program control, and this is return. Okay, now I have to provide here the addresses, input address maybe. Yes, I can take any one. This is input address, and I can take output any one of this. Yes, this is my output address. Okay, yes, now my program is completed now once again. Okay, and then what I have to do, if program is created. Okay, something is error here. Again, okay, yes, both of two returns are here. Yes, okay, once again what I have to do, once again I have to do save, and yes, now there is no any error. Verify is completed, no errors found. So once again I can check here. Yes, this is my ladder file, and what I have to do, I have to download this program once again. Okay, I have to download this. Yes, so my program is downloaded now. Now what I have to do, I have to run this program. Okay, you can see in from main program, this both ladders are working as normal as this is called from the main program. You can see here, now this will not work as normal. Yes, what you have to do, you have to call from here also. Yes, what you have to do, you can see here, now it will act as a normal program. Okay, if you are taking the subroutine instruction, if you are taking the subroutine instruction in main, then you have to provide the JSR, or you have to call from the main for the all ladder, that is the instruction. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And if anyone want to join our paid course, then you can contact with us. And if both paid course and free courses are available in career of technology, that is in Pirangut, Pune, Maharashtra. All details are given here. Thank you so much for watching this video.